A group of young people is spreading the love of service in communities by joining church-endorsed activities. Members of the Columbian Squires share the blessings they get for giving their time to others. More on this from Carlo Caromay.
This is a typical Sunday, but this group of teenagers has more important things to do than the usual mall gimmicks. They spearheaded a feeding program at Barangay Piatas B in Quezon City. They are members of the Columbian Squires. They were assembled for a common goal of providing service to the community and to God. Harvey Peralta has been a member of the Squires for 6 years now. Most of his fellow Squire members are family friends and schoolmates. One of his schoolmates, whose father is a member of the Knights of Columbus, convinced them into joining the group. Because of their objective, he says he never had any hesitation of joining the circle right from the start.
Columbian Squires is a youth group, a civic group, a sports group, and a church helper molded into one. Kaya po siya parang mas buo na yung approach namin sa mga activities, lalo na ng mga young Catholic gentlemen. Masaya naman po siya. Saka madali po siya sa schedule.
Gary San Pedro, on the other hand, says the smiles they bring to the faces of the children every time they conduct community service is a payback for their sacrifices.
Napakasaya sa pakiramdam na kahit ganito lang ginagawa namin, nakakatulong ako sa mga kapwa ko.
Aside from family and peers, Knights of Columbus officials say the advancement in technology and popular social networking sites have helped them in encouraging the youth in joining the Squires.
Columbian Squires is the youth organization ng Knights of Columbus. Ang members niyan from age 10 to 18. So the objective of that is to train our youth for leadership and of course to mold them as Catholic gentlemen. So we use Facebook a lot to communicate. No, nandun. So yung social networking actually has become an advantage because that's a way for us to inform them of our activities. Nakikita nila doon kagad yung mga pictures. No, so maganda doon, you can comment on the picture and then doon pumapasok yung mga ideas.
The Knights of Columbus normally execute programs such as this throughout the country on a monthly basis all year round.
Yung host katulad namin dito sa diocese namin, ito nag-host yung Circle 4537. Okay? Nagko-contribute kami dito. Merong mga sponsors, no? Yung council namin nag-sponsor ng isang araw, yung aming district deputy nag-sponsor ng isang araw. And all the other district deputies within the diocese will be requested to provide the necessary funding.
Aside from community service, members of the Columbian Squires also spend their time on sports and other extracurricular activities and church services. These activities mold them into becoming Catholic gentlemen and community servants. Carlo Carongoy,
The Department of Health